Gotta get pumped up. Hello? Yeah, what's going on, buddy? Hey, what do you think would be a good video idea for a new YouTube video? Yeah? Should we let him have it? All right, cool. You heard it here first. Today we are going to show you exactly how to make $2,171,652.55 in the next year with a blog, words on paper. Roll the goddamn intro. That's right, you saw it. The ridiculous glasses are still here. My name is Andrew Alvey, and this is the channel where we talk about real passive income. If you're new here, please drop a subscribe. It would mean the world to me. If you are returning back, drop a like on this video. Show YouTube you love it. Show me you love it. Let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing we're talking about today, guys, is this is a continuation. This is the final segment. 7 passive income ideas. Ding! Right freaking here, linked up above, because that was the original video where I showed you guys 7 ways to make money passively. That video is blowing up. I mean, blowing up for somebody that has 28 subscribers, let's be honest. Now, just as a quick side note, disclaimer, all these should be done at once, okay? But in the beginning, you can figure out which one is easiest for you to start. That is what this channel is all about, is providing you the freedom to not have to work a normal 9 to 5, to not have to work 40 hours a week, to not have to go to college and get a degree for someone else to tell you that you're allowed to make money. What we're gonna do is jump right into this, guys. I got a special treat for you today. Like I said, I am gonna show you exactly how we make $2,171,652.55 million in a year with a simple blog, all right? Now, if you don't believe me, there's plenty of other people doing this. This guy, Miles Beckler, he makes $1 million a year with his blog. Oh, look at this. Another person, Buildapreneur, this guy, he makes $1 million a year with his. Oh, another guy, how we made $111,926 in August 2019. This is blogging. It is alive and well. Don't you agree?
Oh, hell yeah.
Boom! You guys are lucky. We got a slideshow for you today. The first thing I'm going to talk about is niche blogging for passive income. Is it a thing? Is it real? Can you actually make money?
Nobody knows.
Well, these are valid questions. I would have asked the same thing. Now, let's jump to the second page. All right, the possibilities. This is where it gets crazy. This is what we hooked you in with. So the first thing first here is Spencer Meekum. All right, this guy made $1,032,000 in the last year, and what he does is run a blog. Now, here's another guy, Smart Passive Income. This is an amazing blog run by Pat Flynn, $2.1 million in the last 12 months. And here's another one, Miles Beckler. This guy is also running a blog. He is not as transparent about his numbers, but he constantly says his business does over $1 million a year in multiple millions. We know he does over 100 grand a month. He's doing the exact same thing. Now, how can you get behind this and start making money? That's exactly what I'm going to show you. Calm it down. How are Spencer, Pat, and Miles able to do this with such an old concept such as blogging, and none of these sites are that old?
It's complicated.
Here is the important breakdown. They use the power of keywords and SEO to rank their blogs in search engines. Then they give value and teach on whatever the person is looking for info on. People are searching for solutions to their problem. They're looking for what is the best web hosting, what are the top travel destinations, what are the cheapest email providers, what is the best source of income online in 2019. That's where this video shows up, baby. All right, so they use the power of that SEO. They're booming. They're getting the SEO juice to get their blogs ranked higher. They give value and they teach on whatever the person is looking for info on. I'm going to give you the information that you're looking for and answer your question. This is the answer to your problems. Click here. That's the best web hosting. Go get it. Click here. This is the best email marketing if you have a large list. This is the best email marketing software if you're an affiliate marketer. This is the best email marketer if you're a small business. I'm going to give you all 3 options. After you educate people on the solution, you provide that affiliate link to the service or software or products they're looking for, and this is where you get paid. Just picking up stacks. So you may be thinking to yourself, well,
Blogging sounds hard. That's complicated. I have to write and do shit.
well, if you want to make $2 million a year, it is not easy. You're going to do shit that you don't like. You're going to learn things that you don't know. So on Google, you would just type in some words, hit the space bar, and you would see when I'm looking up dogs, I have Google that tells me exactly what people like. This is what people are into, and I know that because Google is automatically already ranking these things as the top things that people are searching for. Use this to your advantage. So when I make a blog post, I make a YouTube video, I'm gonna search for what is already a popular topic, and I'm gonna use that to my advantage to help get in front of an audience. Moving right along.
Next!
Best blog practices. You better recognize this is what it's all about. Now, start with an amazing title. You want to have a good title because this is what gets people hooked into your blog, all right? So, how-to posts, list-based posts, odd numbers, 3, 5, 7, they work. Go with it. Next, hook. Hook in the intro. Notice how this YouTube video started. Grab attention early. I grabbed you right by the freaking gonads and I told you, do you want to make millions of dollars a year blogging? If so, $6,000 a day. This is how we do it. Boom. And you were like, holy crap. Next up, make the body skimmable. This is important. When you get to a blog post, you don't want to see some freaking Chinese fucking no paragraph, don't know grammar, long ass book novel of a romance people read on like a 3rd grade level.
Hey, that's mean.
Make it easy. That's how these blogs get popular. Next up, offer solutions, aka your affiliate links. I just showed you how to write a blog. Get that title, because without that title, you can have the best blog in the world. Nobody's gonna read it. Get a hook, because if you don't get a freaking hook, it is your duty, your obligation, and your responsibility to put a good hook in your videos, a good hook in your blogs, because if you don't put a good hook in your blogs, no one's gonna read your content. And if you don't make that body skimmable so people can actually get to the bottom of it, they're never gonna see your solution, they're never gonna get to your affiliate link, and you're never gonna be able to show them your link, and you are never going to get paid. Sprinkle it on. Next up here is this. Now start to create your own products. Now a true blog in true blog fashion is gonna create their own products, okay? Now this is super important because once you get good and you have traffic coming to your site, you not only just want to be saying, here's someone else's product, thank you. You wanna say, hey, here's a free training that I have for you to double your profits with email automation because you're on a blog on which email provider is the best. So not only do I send you the affiliate links on buying an email provider, now I offer you training and I sell you a $1,000 course or a $97 course, or I get you on my email list. I want to show you an example. So this is Builderpreneur. This is Spencer Meekum's blog, the guy that makes over $1 million a year. Now, like I said, comparison content. That's where this whole video started from, okay? MailChimp versus ActiveCampaign. He's getting 2 keywords here. He's comparing 2 items, so you're gonna search for those 2 items. Now, when I click on this, what you're gonna notice is he solved probably all the answers I have, and he says, here's the overall winner. It's ActiveCampaign. Sign up for an ActiveCampaign trial here. That is his affiliate link. Now, it's mind-blowing what he's doing right here. He's doing comparison content, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, getting keywords for 2 items and being able to present both of them to you and tell you which is the winner, which is better for which type of business, and he can sell you both. It doesn't matter. 2 keywords, putting them together into one article, grabbing attention early, trying to sell you info products. There are so many systems at work here. It's beautiful, okay? And the best part about it is he doesn't write any of it, okay? If this were me, I wouldn't sit here saying, okay, this is how you find a blog post. Okay, this is how you write and hook and blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna go on Fiverr. I'm gonna pay somebody for a package of blog posts and I'm gonna have them write it for you. The only difference with YouTube is I have to be here creating videos. I mean, I could pay somebody else to be the personality, but it doesn't work that way when you build a personal brand. When you build a brand like this called Builderpreneur, okay, which is just the name of his brand, you have the ability to outsource that because it is a brand name. Boom, look at this girl wrote this one, this other girl, this girl, blah, blah, blah. He's hiring writers to write for him, okay, which is extremely smart because when you get into that, you have somebody else doing this hard work for you. So you may be saying, well, that's all money making. Okay, well, the same guys that own this blog that Create and Go, that made $111,000 this month, they also own the freaking Avocado blog, which I'm about to show you. What is the income range of avocado.com? Your content is Bible, blah. Thanks. Avocado consistently does between 20K and 30K a month.
Get the fuck out of here.
This is Avocado. They literally have a site. It's the same thing. Look up top. Oh, here's our blog. Here's some other resources which we are selling you products. Here is our 21-day challenge. Start your 21-day challenge. This blog is just giving you these cool little tips, tricks, selling their products just like all the other sites we saw. You'll notice a common theme here. All they're doing is the simplest formula, and they're making 20 to 30 grand a month with affiliate marketing, with their info products together as one thing. This is niche blogging, so I want you guys to succeed. Now, obviously, if you watch this far in the video, you're interested in making money online, whether it's through blogging, it's through any source of passive income where you get paid month after month. Just keep in mind, if you guys are interested in this kind of shit, go down below, get the $250 a day training, stop being a broke-ass motherfucker, contribute to society. My name's Andrew Alvey. Hit the subscribe button, punch it in the face, smash it, uppercut, give it a nice knock it out of the park. YouTube loves it. I love it. You guys have been great. Andrew Alvey, out.